Good morning, children. We are continuing the exercise. In figure, POQ is a line. This is a line. The ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. So this PR is perpendicular. This angle is 90 degree. OS is another ray lying between the rays OP and OR. See here, this POQ is a line. OR is perpendicular to this PQ, that means QOR angle is 90 degree. Another ray is OS. OS is coming in between OP and OR. So what you have to prove is angle ROS equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. These are the things we have to prove. First point, see angle OR is perpendicular to POQ. So I am writing angle QOR is equal to 90 degree. So what is that? It is given. What is given? OR perpendicular to PQ. It is given. Second one, see QOR and POR, they are forming a linear pair. See here, I told you when they are given three angles here, but we are considering only two angles. One angle is QOR, the other angle is POR. These two angles are forming a linear pair. Therefore, angle POR plus angle QOR equal to 180 degree. They are forming a linear pair. Then third point, angle POR equal to 180 minus angle QOR, that is equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. Therefore you got angle POR equal to 90 degree. Now the fourth point, see now you take this angle QOS. What is angle QOS? Angle QOR plus angle ROS. So angle QOS equal to this one, angle QOS equal to angle QOR plus ROS. Angle QOR plus angle ROS. This is from figure, you can write it. So that is equal to this QOR is 90 degree plus ROS is angle QOS. This is the fifth point I am writing. Now the sixth point, next you want POS. So angle POS, you know angle POS, you can write down angle POR minus ROS. You see this angle is 90 degree. So this is POR minus ROS. So POS equal to angle POR minus angle ROS. You understand? This angle is this QOR plus ROS. So 90 plus ROS. When you want to take POS, this angle, this is 90 degree minus ROS. So it is POR. POR is 90 degree minus ROS. So that is angle POS. This is the seventh point. Now eighth point, you require QOS minus POS. So angle QOS minus angle POS equal to, what is QOS? 90 degree plus ROS minus POS, you have to put it in the bracket because minus is coming outside. So 90 degree minus ROS. So this one is from 90 plus from 5 and 7. So 90 plus ROS, when you open this bracket, minus 90 plus ROS, this 90 is cancelled, so it is 2ROS. So you are getting QoS minus POS equal to 2 angle ROS. Therefore angle ROS equal to half into this 2 will come here, angle QoS minus angle POS. This is put. So I hope all of you understood. Here QOR plus ROS is QoS. Here POS is equal to POR minus ROS. So POS is 90 minus ROS. QoS is 90 plus ROS. Understood? QoS is 90 plus ROS. POS is 90 minus ROS. You got this one. So QoS minus ROS. Then this 90 is cancelled. You get 2 ROS. Then ROS is half of QoS minus POS. Next one. If in figure, if x plus y equal to z, y plus z, prove that AOB is a straight line. It is not given that AOB is a straight line, you have to prove. So what is given? It is given this x plus y is equal to y plus z. So I am writing what is given. X plus y is equal to, in figure, x plus y is equal to w plus z. That means this x plus y is equal to, when you add this x and y, you get the sum z and w and z. So what you have to prove? You have to prove AOB is a line. So first point, I am writing x plus y is equal to w plus z. It is given. Second point, I am writing what is the sum of all these 4 angle x plus y plus w plus z, 360 degree. It is a complete angle. So I am writing x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 degree. It is a complete angle. Complete angle. That is measure of a complete angle is 360 degree. So here this x plus y is, here it is given x plus y is equal to w plus z. So I am going to write this w plus z as x plus y. So x plus y plus these two and these two. So these two I am going to replace by x plus y. So y I am writing, since w plus z equal to x plus y. X plus y. So that means these x plus sum of w plus z is equal to x plus y. So that w plus z can be replaced by x plus y, that is equal to 360 degree. Here it is 2x plus 2y is equal to 360 degree. 2 I have taken it out, equal to 360 degree. X plus y is equal to 360 degree by 2, that is 180 degree. So you are getting x plus y is equal to 180 degree. If x plus y is equal to 180 degree, then what is y plus z? That is also 180 degree. So here you need to prove that AOB is a line. So x plus y is 180 is enough. So third point I am writing x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Then fourth point, therefore AOB is a line. Why AOB is a line? Since the sum of two adjacent angles is 180, non-common arms form a line. That is a theorem, you have learned it. What is that? Since the sum of adjacent angle is, sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, non-common arms form a line. Sum of adjacent angle is 180. Then sum of two adjacent angle is 180. Therefore, you can say the non-common arms form a line. So AOB is a line. Now the last question. XYZ is 60 degree and XY is produced to P. So therefore, there is an angle measurement is 64 degree, but the name of that angle is XYZ. XYZ. XY is produced to P, that is, this is produced to P, this one is produced back this side, produce and produced to point P. If a ray YQ bisect angle ZYP, so this one, the one ray YQ, it is bisecting these angles. That means these two angles are equal. As I have shown you, two angles I am writing it as small x and small x. Okay, you need to find out, angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. Here you want to find out XYQ. For finding out the XYQ, this is 64, you have to add x here. So first point, I am taking, see here, XYZ, angle XYZ is 64 degree, it is given. Second point, this ray YQ bisect this angle ZYP. So I am writing, so therefore this angle ZYQ and PYQ are equal. Why they are equal? Because it is given YQ bisect ZYP. So I am writing angle ZYQ equal to ZYQ equal to angle PYQ equal to X. Why? Because it is given YQ bisects angle ZYP. So I am taking these two are X and X. Then the third one, you know that these three angles form a straight line. So therefore I am writing sum of these four angles. One is XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle PYQ equal to 180 degree. It is the measure of straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. Then fourth one, here XYZ is 64 plus ZYQ is X, PYQ is also X equal to 180 degree. 64 plus 2x is 180 degree. 2x is 180 degree minus 64. 180 degree minus 64 is 116 degree. X is equal to 116 degree by 2. This is 2x. It is equal to 5/8. So x is equal to 58 degree. You got x is equal to 58 degree. This one. Then fifth one, you want to find out x, y, q. X, y, q. X, y, q is, you know that it is 60, this x, y, z plus angle z, y, y, q. Z, y, q. That is equal to 64 degree plus x, that is equal to 64 degree plus 58 degree, 122 degrees. So angle XYQ is 118 degree. Now you want to find out sixth one. So you got angle XYQ 122 degree, you got it. Now you want to find out QYP. So angle P angle, here we are taken PYQ. So I take PYQ only. PYQ is equal to X. What is the value of X? Equal to 58 degree. So angle QYP, PYQ and QYP are same. So QYP equal to 58 degree. Same. These are the same angle. PYQ and QYP are same. Therefore, seventh point, you need to find out a reflex angle QYP. So you know the reflex angle QYP means 360 degree minus 58. So 360 degree minus 58 is 302. So reflex angle of QIP is 302 and angle QIQ is 122 degree.